Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys 5 ways you can style this beautiful hair. It might not be up to 5 because I actually didn't count the ideas in my head, but I just thought it's gonna be an informative video, especially if you want to slay and still be fire on a budget. If you're interested in finding out how I made this hair, this is 100% Kanekalon hair. If you're interested in finding out how I made it, then definitely click the card up here or check the description box for a link to the video. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So no too much talk, let's go straight into today's video. I went to Amazon and I bought a scarf. I bought a pink one. I'm gonna put a link to this scarf down. It feels really good quality and I've seen a lot of people use this as blouse, so you can definitely do that with this, especially because it's really large. I think if I used it on myself, it's gonna be large enough. So the first style that I'm going to show you, obviously you want to divide your scarf like this to form a triangle, but the second part should be smaller so that the front here is longer. I don't know if you can see. Yeah. And what you want to do is just place this as if you're actually, you can even do this, but what I wanted to show you, you just take this in, okay, so that it's just the base that is showing, and you just kind of like tie and tuck in as you tie. And yeah, this is what the first one looks like. This is actually my least favorite because it just reminds me of this old Nollywood movie, you know, like how Genevieve Abizi Niedo would pack her hair, but this is really cute. I'm going to show you the second method now, and you can actually leave the scarf like this or you just tie it up. I like tying mine up, so that's me. One thing that could help is if you like just pack. Ooh, this is cute. So I'm going to get a rubber band and I'm just going to this is style 2. Put your scarf the way you held it and you're just gonna put it underneath the bun you did. Make sure that this triangle here is out, and you're just gonna go ahead and tie this. It's for extra security. And one thing I'm gonna do also is take the flap here and just kind of like tug it underneath like so. You get this, and you want to also leave the hair tabs out. Ooh, this is so pretty. And this is what the third style looks like. I really like this one because it gets rid of the hair on your neck, especially if you're somebody who doesn't like hair touching the back of her neck. Then this is definitely for you. You just use a scarf and just pack everything up. So this is super cute. I really like it. It's girly. It goes absolutely well with everything. And one thing, as I said before, is if you want, you can actually like divide this to kind of like have like a center part, like so, you know, center part bulb, and it's still going to look like super cute. Let me know if you like the center part or without the center part. So it's super cute. Now this is the fourth style, and it's basically a side part, so you're gonna want to pull this forward a bit and just tuck the side behind. So if you have like a clip like this, you can use that just to make it even more girly. So I really like that, and you just push this to the side and then it gives you this nice fluffy side part. This is super cute. Okay, so the next one is you can actually even tuck this behind as well, so it gives you like a bang with like full fluffy sides like so. So it's gonna look like this. That's if you want though, it's not by force. This is so cute. Now for the next one, it requires you moving your hair backwards, and if you need to use the clip, you can go ahead and do that. And then what you're going to do with this is you're just going to fold it, keep folding, and then just take the flaps underneath like this, like so, and you're going to go behind your hair. Make sure that the hair is out of the way, and you're just going to tie this. Actually, if you need to move it backwards a bit, okay, so you can just anyhow you want. I've seen people like tie bows, but because I'm too lazy, I'm just gonna leave that and just do this one instead. So but if you want, you can just like tie a bow, and this is what it looks like. Of course, you can also move it behind like some more inside, and you get this. If you don't like what I did, you can Let's try to tie a bow. You can just like do it twice. Take this behind, make sure to fold, and this is what it looks like. And yeah, this is basically everything. Let me know which of the styles is your favorite, and that's basically everything with today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a huge thumbs up, like this video, and of course join the family by subscribing to my channel. Okay, so I'll see you guys in my next one.